Champagne is a sparkling wine that comes from the Champagne region in northeastern France. It is made using a traditional method called méthode champenoise, which involves a secondary fermentation in the bottle to create the wine's signature bubbles. Here are 20 etiquettes to keep in mind while drinking champagne. Chill the champagne bottle to the proper serving temperature, which is typically between 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, for at least a few hours before serving. Always use a champagne flute, tulip glass or white wine glass to serve champagne. The narrow and tall shape of the glass helps to preserve the bubbles and aromas. Hold the champagne glass by the stem, rather than the bowl, to prevent the warmth of your hand from changing the temperature of the wine. Pour the champagne into the glass slowly and gently, tilting the glass at a 45-degree angle to prevent the champagne from foaming over. Fill the glass no more than 2/3 full to allow room for the aromas to develop and to prevent spills. Avoid shaking the bottle or tapping the base of the glass to release the bubbles, as this can damage the wine. Never use a spoon or other utensil to stir the champagne, as this can cause the bubbles to dissipate quickly. Don't serve champagne with ice, as this can dilute the flavors and affect the bubbles. Avoid opening the champagne bottle with a loud pop, as this can be considered rude or ostentatious. Offer a toast before taking the first sip, raising the glass to eye level and making eye contact with each person in the group. Sip the champagne slowly, rather than drinking it quickly, to savor the flavors and bubbles. Avoid clinking glasses too hard, as this can cause the glasses to break. Never add sugar or other sweeteners to champagne, as this can interfere with the wine's natural flavors. If you're hosting a large group of people, use a champagne fountain or pyramid to pour the champagne into the glasses. When serving champagne at a formal event, pour the champagne for the women first, followed by the men. Hold the bottle by the base or neck, rather than the body, when pouring the champagne. Avoid topping off the glasses of other guests without asking first. Never pour champagne into a dirty or smudged glass, as this can detract from the overall experience. When pouring the last bit of champagne from the bottle, tilt it slightly to allow the sediment to settle at the bottom. Dispose of the champagne bottle and any empty glasses responsibly and avoid overindulging in alcohol. Thanks for watching, and cheers!